To put things in perspective, let's get this straight. Since the very beginning, there has been a buzzing anticipation that the price of XRP reaching a monumental $10,000 was not just a possibility, but a certainty. And what do you think? This prediction has just been given a significant boost. With regard to this matter, we are discussing none other than Larry Fink, who is affiliated with Blackrock, lending his support. Think about this. In his discussion, he is not merely referring to a meager $10,000 per XRP. I'm so sorry. He is highlighting the fact that it is an essential requirement. Greetings, members of the Moneyside family. Hello and welcome to your one-stop shop for everything related to XRP. Before we dive into the meat of today's content, let's take a moment to brief ourselves on the situation. A small favor is something I need from you. In order to become a part of our incredible community, you should go ahead and hit that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. And just so you know, here's a heads up. We are getting closer and closer to the 600,000 subscriber mark, and we are getting ready to give away an incredible amount of XRP. There is no difficulty involved in participating in the giveaway. Only 3 easy steps need to be followed. So make sure that you are ready to listen, all set to go. In addition, make sure to include a hashtag for Moneyside in the comments section so that you can guarantee your participation in the giveaway. Now we're getting to the juicy part. Imagine for a moment that titans of finance such as Blackrock and Vanguard are now giving serious consideration to using XRP for their international transactions. Hold on, things are going to get better. Reportedly, Blackrock is planning to launch an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that is focused on XRP. Indeed, you did hear that correctly. But hold on, there's plenty more. This is not the end of Larry Fink's story. He is observing the enormous real estate market, which is estimated to be worth $30 trillion, and can you guess what the future holds for it? You have it right. This is the XRP ledger, which is prepared to tokenize the entire thing. Furthermore, the International Swaps and Traders Association, ISDA, is planning to transfer a staggering $1.20 quadrillion through the XRP ledger and RippleNet. This data is expected to be transmitted. In this context, we are not simply referring to $10,000 per XRP. That's what children do. According to some estimates, the value of 1 XRP could skyrocket to as high as $60,000. It's incredible, isn't it? All right, let's move on to the following section. An additional bombshell was dropped by Larry Fink, who works for Blackrock. Rather than merely uttering words, he is acting. In the process of tokenizing everything, Ripple and its digital asset XRP are on the verge of accomplishing something monumental. Additionally, we have a clip that is going to grab people's attention in the following segment of our video. The move toward an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, would be confirmed by Larry Fink himself. Therefore, let's not stay here any longer. Here is the video clip that you have been anticipating. A promotion for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds serves as an illustration of how we are legitimizing it. More security is being created by us, so pay attention to this. Are you going to invest in another ETF? Why not an exchange-traded fund, ETF for XRP? I am aware that you have an Ether somewhere in the world, but what about XRP? Are you able to explain that? Not at all. Is that something you don't want me to respond to? Yes, I am. No, I am unable to. Okay, don't give me the short end of the stick. There has been a whirlwind of anomalies in the world of cryptography that we have witnessed in recent days, especially with regard to XRP. Imagine this. The value of XRP on the world-famous cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com skyrocketed to an astounding $43,000. The unexpected increase in the value of XRP is not a one-time occurrence. Rather, it is part of a growing trend of unexpected price increases. Just last week, we talked about a glitch that occurred at a leading exchange that caused XRP to be worth $7,000. At this point, it is the turn of Crypto.com, and it appears that sudden increases in the value of XRP are becoming a common occurrence across a variety of exchanges. But let's change gears and talk about something else. The following is something that I discovered through extensive research that is equally fascinating but has nothing to do with Blackrock or the overall surge in the SRP market. Gary Gensler, the well-known chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, who succeeded Jay Clinton, is the subject of our discussion. In a consistent manner, Gensler classifies XRP as a security, which the majority of you may already be aware of. This is where things start to get interesting. An uncanny resemblance exists between Gary Gensler and his identical twin brother, Robert M. Gensler. Both brothers are the same age and share the same appearance. Robert holds a significant position at T. Rowe Price. As the vice president of the organization, as you delve a little deeper, you will discover that T. Rowe Price is not just any investment firm. Rather, it is one of the major players that has a significant amount of money invested in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. As a result, there is an intriguing connection here. In spite of the fact that Gary Gensler, who is currently currently in charge of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, continues to classify XRP as a security, his twin brother is significantly involved in an investment firm that is a significant investor in XRP as well as other cryptocurrencies. It's a fascinating contrast between the two. Considering the complex dynamics at play in the world of cryptocurrency regulations and investments, this gives rise to a number of questions that were not previously known. The enticing possibility is brought to our attention by this. Is it possible that Robert Gensler, the vice president of T. Rowe Price, has access to confidential information regarding the potential of XRP, which is comparable to that of Bitcoin and Ethereum? When you take into consideration the significant investments that the company has made in these three cryptocurrencies, this theory begins to gain traction. In spite of the fact that the SEC publicly rejects the concept of insider trading, different conclusions have been drawn from a great number of reports and investigations. Throughout the course of these investigations, which have focused on market manipulation and insider trading, questionable practices within the SEC have been brought to light on multiple occasions. It would appear that a pattern is beginning to emerge. Officials from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, appear to be informing their relatives about which digital assets may soon be exempt from being classified as securities. The early investment is made by these relatives. The value of the asset skyrockets when it is officially declared to be non-security, which enables these family members and friends to make a substantial profit by purchasing the asset at a low price and selling it at a high valuation. Regarding the potential loss that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, could incur as a result of a lawsuit against XRP, let us take into consideration the possibility that Robert N. Gensler gained access to confidential information from his brother, Gary Gensler. That Congress might try to negotiate a settlement between Ripple Labs and the SEC is something that could be inferred from such information. Consequently, now is an excellent time for astute investors to get their hands on XRP. An additional layer is added to this narrative by the fact that the T. Rowe Price is increasingly channeling funds into cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most notably XRP. Notable analysts who have been bullish on XRP, such as Jack the Rippler, predict an explosive rise in its value, potentially surpassing $589. This is despite the fact that the cryptocurrency community is buzzing about the possibility of XRP reaching staggering heights, such as $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000. Despite the fact that it is a bold prediction, this one highlights the growing excitement and speculation surrounding XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market. The profit-making potential of XRP is attracting the attention of Wall Street. And what about my suspicions? The first significant move will be made through an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that invests in XRP. But let's go into more detail. This development goes deeper than what is initially apparent. CryptoBasic has provided us with some news that is very intriguing. A former Ripple director has taken notice of the fact that an analyst has suggested that JP Morgan has made a significant leap into XRP. This has gained the attention of the former Ripple director. This information has definitely caused me to raise my eyebrows, and it is something that we need to discuss further. Now here is how the story unfolds. Ben Armstrong, who was formerly associated with the BitBoy cryptocurrency brand, has rekindled some contentious allegations regarding JP Morgan's purported investment in XRP, which has prompted a response from a former Ripple director. This information was disclosed in a series of posts by a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency industry. According to him, JP Morgan has a substantial amount of 7.5 million XRP tokens in their possession. After that, Armstrong continues by asserting that this action accounts for approximately 7.5% of the total wealth held by JP Morgan. Hold on, because the math in this situation seems to be completely off. When viewed in the proper context, given that the current value of 7.5 million XRP is 4.46 million, this amount does not even come close to representing 7.5% of JP Morgan.